Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 screen specs has been leaked. Also, we have the new render images for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 devices and possibly the launch date for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 devices has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So basically Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 devices in a couple of months, and we are hearing some more news regarding that. Possibly this news has been coming from the Korean company the Alec, and according to that information, the next Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 will be coming with a new ultra thin glass technology, which is going to be even improved than the last year Galaxy Z Fold 2. So basically this new ultra thin glass technology will become much improved than the last year of the ultra thin glass that Samsung has used in their devices. Now this new Korean glass will be much improved in terms of its durability, and also it's going to be having less crease when the devices are going to be foldable. And your fingers are crossed right now. We have to wait and see what this new Korean glass will become when it's going to be available for masses. Also talking about the display, Ross Young is back with more display spec tips on Samsung upcoming 2021 Bendy phone. According to his information, it's going to be the first ever foldable display which will be coming with an under display panel camera. Also the first foldable which is coming with an ultra thin glass technology to have an S Pen input. The first foldable device which is going to replace the circular polarizer with a color filter to reduce the thickness, increase brightness and lower power. The display film stack on the Z Fold 3 is much thicker now because of the S Pen digitizer, and there is a rugged protection layer under thin glass cover like the one added in the Z Flip 5G. Another carbon reinforced polymer layer is added under the panel for improved durability. So these are some of the features which Ross Young has shared about the display of the upcoming Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 devices. Next we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 render images has been leaked. The new render displayed a vertical main camera setup with 3 sensors and LED flash, same as the previous images. The design is looking interesting, and Samsung has adopted the flat edges for more than recent flagship tablets look like Galaxy Tab 7 series, so it's not likely that the company hasn't experimented with the design detail in recent years. As we already know, in last week rumors broke out that Samsung might be announcing the Z Fold 3 Z Flip 3 August 3 to 27. But no Korean news outlet is bringing some more clarity on the matter. The Unpacked event is believed to take place earlier on the first or second week of the August, but the latest report also speculate that August 27 as the date when the sale will start from the upcoming foldables. The Galaxy Watch 4 and the Buds 2 wireless earphones are also expected at the same Unpacked event, and the new report also mentioned that the S21 Fan Edition is still happening and will launch later in the fall around September. So guys, all in all, I am pretty much excited about the next foldable devices because they are going to be coming with the best technologies in terms of their display, and there is going to be a more durability than the last year models. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.